today. Oh, it's automatic.
Yeah, I saved it already.
Yes. And it's also Aleksis Kiven katu 428, Aleksis Kiven gatan. Stake is C. We have 60 here. Built in 1952. Super SH 4765. That's the history of the Boulevard. The hasn't been forwards in the cap.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's way too little memory, so I don't know.
Yeah, inspected by Finland, maintained by Finland.
Only one I can get.
Yeah.
Because I don't know to use the inner memory of it.
Yeah.
So I'll take pictures quickly now.
No.
That was a
Inspected by Finland, maintained by Finland. Floor. 1952 Kone personal quarter. And the car station has been replaced in the early 60s maybe, but it doesn't matter because it's even better than the original one. But, yeah. And the light fixture is still original. It's amazing also. Floor. Yeah. That's